The word obsession encompasses the mindset of everyone at Mossy Oak. We obsess over hiding from, chasing, and conserving the critters we pursue. In this episode, we follow Jason Hart, one of the founders of the innovative hunting apparel company NOMAD, as he chases Osceolas in South Florida. This is The Obsessed.
You know, one thing that I like to joke about, which has been my whole adult life, was my turkey vest. One thing is, friends that know me or former roommates or my family, I'm not the most organized guy. If you look at my bedroom, if you look at my storage unit, if you look at my garage, it's a mess. One thing in my life I keep organized is my turkey vest. I know where every call is. In a half an instant, I can reach there and it's there. I turned 40 years old this year, and I've been turkey hunting now for 20 plus years. Harvested my first turkey at 17. I killed 2 birds in 1 shot. And it started an obsession back in 1995 when I pulled the trigger on my first turkey, which 2 ended up flopping there. And from then on out, I knew that my life and my lifestyle and pretty much my career, whatever I was going to do, was somehow going to involve turkeys. And through, ending high school, into college, into my professional career, all my friends and everybody that's known me know me as a turkey hunter, first and foremost. For the last few years, I have started in South Florida, which is the first season to start in the lower 48, the youth season, which ends in February, and then the very last season in North America is in Mexico. And I've been in there the last couple of years, and so far I've killed them in 29 states, and I think I've hunted them in 37, and my goal is to try to kill one in every state. But it's just become such a passion, and turkey hunters are a special group, and it's almost like Tom Kelly in the 10th Legion calls turkey hunters a cult, and it's the truth. It's, the springtime people that are hardcore turkey hunters live for the springtime. With Mossy Oak inviting me down here and doing this, it's, a lot of people in Mossy Oak get that. And there's many, such as Toxie and his boys and his family are obsessed with turkey hunting, and we get each other. So the word obsessed, Mossy Oak is used, obsessed and obsession, often to describe turkey hunting. And whoever at Mossy Oak came up with that term it's absolutely genius, because people that are serious about turkey hunting, such as I, and I've got a lot of friends and know a lot of people much like I am, are absolutely obsessed with it. And put turkey hunting obviously next to friends, next to family, next to their religion, right up next to their work, right up at the top. That's how I am. It's one of the most important things in my life is being in the springtime woods, and spending time with friends or family in the turkey woods in the springtime is as good as it gets as far as I'm concerned. And this cult known as turkey hunters that Tom Kelly refers to as the 10th Legion, that's how we are. There's no place in the world that I would have rather been this morning than South Florida on opening day of turkey season. My name is Jason Hart with NOMAD. I'm a turkey hunter and I am obsessed.